and welcome to $3 TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. President Donald Trump has nominated Michael Selig to head the Commodities Futures Trading Commission, according to Bloomberg. Selig, currently chief counsel for the SEC's crypto task force and a former partner at Wilkie Farr and Gallagher, is seen as a strong advocate for regulatory clarity in digital assets. If confirmed by the Senate, he will guide the agency at a crucial juncture as lawmakers move to cement the CFTC's role as the primary crypto regulator. His appointment underscores the administration's intention to streamline crypto oversight and build investor confidence. Crypto regulation is gaining traction across Africa as countries introduce laws to attract investment while ensuring consumer protection. Ghana's central bank confirmed plans to finalize crypto regulations by the end of 2025 following draft guidelines issued last year. The move will place Ghana among 10 African nations with active digital asset laws. Adoption across the continent, particularly in sub-Saharan Africa, continues to surge due to strong retail participation and remittance-driven use cases. Analysts see Africa as one of the fastest growing regions globally for crypto innovation and inclusion. Tether is preparing new investments to roll out its US-focused stablecoin USAT to 100 million American users by December, CEO Paulo Ardoino said. The USAT token will comply with US federal regulations under the Genius Act and be issued through Tether America, a joint venture with Anchorage Digital. Tether aims to leverage Rumble, the video sharing platform it invested $775 million in, as a key distribution channel via its upcoming crypto wallet. Rumble's 51 million US users could form the foundation for USAT adoption, positioning Tether for deeper integration in the American digital finance ecosystem. Kyrgyzstan has launched its first stablecoin KGST pegged 1:1 to the national Som President Sadir Japarov announced. The rollout follows continued collaboration with Binance founder Changpeng Zhao, who earlier signed a development agreement with Kyrgyz authorities. The KGST launch comes after the nation's National Council for the Development of Virtual Assets held its second meeting to accelerate blockchain innovation. Kyrgyzstan is also exploring a central bank digital currency in partnership with Zhao's advisory team, signaling the nation's ambition to become a regional hub for digital finance. JPMorgan Chase plans to allow institutional clients to use Bitcoin and Ethereum as collateral for loans by year-end, reports say. The initiative will leverage third-party custodians for asset storage and extend globally across its lending programs. This marks a major shift from traditional finance towards practical crypto use cases. The bank had earlier accepted crypto-linked ETFs as collateral, and this move builds on that strategy. With improved regulatory clarity and rising institutional demand, JPMorgan's integration of crypto collateral represents a milestone in Wall Street's digital asset adoption. Polymarket Chief Marketing Officer Matthew Modibur confirmed plans to launch the Poly token and an accompanying airdrop as the prediction market platform gains momentum. Also, the announcement follows reports of a $2 billion investment from Intercontinental Exchange, the parent company of the NYSE, signaling institutional confidence in Polymarket's growth. Founder Shane Copeland had earlier teased the token plans, which are expected to drive user participation and liquidity. The move comes amid a boom in prediction market trading volumes and growing interest from institutional players. SpaceX transferred $133.7 million worth of Bitcoin on Friday, marking its second major transfer in a week, according to Arkham Intelligence. Earlier, the company moved $268.5 million in BTC, reflecting effort to consolidate holdings and migrate from legacy wallets. Arkham estimates SpaceX holds around 6,970 Bitcoin, worth roughly $770 million. The transfers appears to be part of the internal wallet management rather than a sale. Bitcoin was trading at $110,493 as of Friday afternoon. The activity underscores growing corporate engagement in managing digital reserves with tighter security protocols. Ferrari is preparing to launch a digital token for members of its elite Hyperclub, signaling its entry into the crypto economy, dubbed Token Ferrari 499p. The asset will allow 100 of the company's wealthiest fans to trade and bid on a Ferrari 499p endurance racing car. Scheduled to debut during the 2027 World Endurance Championship season, the initiative aims to engage tech-savvy collectors and strengthen brand loyalty. Ferrari has partnered with Italian fintech firm Conio to design and operate the token infrastructure. JPMorgan analysts estimate Coinbase's base network could unlock up to $34 billion in value through a potential token launch. The bank cited Base's rapid growth, new USDC reward structures, and DEX integration as key revenue drivers for deeper on-chain monetization. The report issued by JPMorgan's equity research team raised Coinbase's ratings and projected stronger long-term profits tied to its Layer 2 ecosystem. Analysts view the Base token as a cornerstone of Coinbase's evolving business model centered on stablecoin yields and decentralized trading. Crypto-related mergers and acquisitions surged to an all-time high of $10 billion in Q3 2025, according to a report by Architect Partners. The figure doubles the previous record of $5 billion set earlier this year and represents a 30-fold rise from 2024 levels. Analysts attribute the surge to reverse merger deals and a more supportive U.S. regulatory environment. The momentum marks a structural shift as traditional finance and blockchain firms increasingly merge operations, signaling deeper integration between crypto and global financial systems. Well, that's all in this bulletin for now. This is Mirchi Sharma signing off. Keep watching $3 TV.